So we picked up some new tires for our dump truck this week. See, we got new steers here. Old one, and the ones on it now are starting to crack on the sidewalls, not looking too well. And got all new drives. We got just a single axle dump truck. The rears on it right now, they're pretty much wore out. So we'll get some nice lugs on these. This is going to be fun. I'm going to change them out tomorrow. Bring you guys along for the ride. So, working on the tires for the small dump truck. You see, we got 3 drive tires here left. We got one drive mounted, and we got both steers on her. This little truck here, I think she's an 1986 model, International S1900. And here's our other steer tire. That's got the drives on this side, and one of the drives on the driver's side yet to go. So we got it sitting over here. Got a little late last night. We decided to pack it in. There we got our drive. But we're also going to be putting new fuel tanks. This little girl, fuel tanks rusted out on us. Got a tank on this side and tank on that on the passenger side. They're 50 gallons apiece. So we found these aftermarket fuel tanks here. We got the step built into them. Aluminum fuel tanks. Wasn't too bad on price. They were actually less than half of OEM steel tanks to put on it. So we have to jack the cab up a little bit to get the new tanks underneath, to get the lines here at the top underneath the tank. And then we'll slide them in there. We've got some new bands and protective gear for around the steel to aluminum connections here. But yeah, that's what we're working on today. Hopefully we get the tanks on, get the last tires on. These are Bud wheels, so we're having just so much fun. On this one already, we've had 3 of the inner lug nuts spin off with the outers, so that's always a joy, but it is what it is with Bud wheels. We got a stack of our old ones over here, but we're working on her. Talk to you later. Well, there we go. Got all of our tires on. Got our new fuel tanks on. We got, it's just a little single axle truck. So we put new tires all the way around, and then it's dual fuel tanks. So we got the other tank over here, obviously, and new drives. We put what they call an off-road drive tire on it. So she spends a lot of time, not on paved roads. So we decided to go with a more aggressive tread. But yeah, there we are. All done. Another project done. Thanks for watching.